Harmonic System Incorporated. Founded year 2000. Replacement of 34.5 kV Switchgear No. 1 at LIIP Substation. Currently with 40.31% of construction progress. This is our update for this project. Backfilling works on footings. Compaction works on footings. Determining location of installed grounding flat bar on retaining wall. Application of waterproofing at exterior side of retaining wall. Installation of foam boards after final coat of waterproofing. Installation of polyethylene barrier. Installation of rebars for basement slab. Backfilling and compaction works. If you're interested regarding to our company, message us admin@harmonicsystem.com.ph.